To stay tuned to the continuing coverage of India's biggest ever tax reform, the goods and services tax. Now, moving on to some other news, the Bombay High Court today expressed concern over the security of prisoners. Now, this comes after riots broke out inside Byculla jail over the death of an inmate, Manjula Shetty. In fact, Indrani Mukherjee, who is accused in the murder of Sheena Bora, was witness to the entire incident and was also booked for participating and inciting the prisoners. Today, the court said that the issue of security of inmates has become very important and needs to be looked into. Jail officials claim it was Indrani Mukherjee who had incited and instigated the other prisoners that followed the death of an inmate. Indrani Mukherjee has alleged that there is a threat to her life. She claims that there is a threat of a sexual assault on her to prevent her from disclosing as to what happened inside the jail premises. Indrani says that she saw the officials assault Manjula Shetty. Let's go straight across now to Vidya for more on this. Vidya, a very important, news coming in from the Bombay High Court over the kind of facilities that exist inside jails and also the security that is being provided to prisoners. Now, how did this matter come up in the Bombay High Court?
The court is really hearing a public interest litigation filed by a jail inmate of Yerwada jail who has pointed out in his petition the inhuman conditions that the inmates are living under, and also has pointed out as to how the jail inmates are beaten up brutally by the jail officials in Yerwada jail as well. It was because of hearing this petition came up that the court looked into it, and also, the Manjula Shetty's case has been in the news for a while, and that's the reason why the court said that this issue of security in jail of the jail inmates is certainly something that they really need to look into. The court will be hearing this petition in some time from now again.
All right, Vidya, thanks so much for joining us.